Hello, my dear Max friends from Scandinavia. Here I am with a little announcement as I would like to invite you to our next digital workshop called Lloret de Mar meets Scandinavia, which will be on the 28th of February from 9 till 11 in the morning. Most of you probably know Lloret de Mar as a typical touristic destination, but it also has so much to offer to MICE groups and is approximately 1 hour away from Barcelona airport. So the timing of our digital workshop will be from 9 till 9:30. There will be a small welcome and a destination presentation made by Montse Belisario, who is the director of the Convention Bureau. From 9:30 till 10:45, there will be 5 Zoom meetings of 15 minutes where you can talk to each of the hotels that are going to participate. And from 10:45 till 11, there will be a live draw as we would like to gift you with one stay in one of the hotels. So hopefully we can count you in and inspire you for your future events in Spain. Thank you very much and see you soon. Bye.